Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Huion H500 tablet with Android smartphone. And to do this, first thing I would do is to download the Huion Sketch app. You can use anything else, but this one is recommended for this graphic tablet. Now let's open the app and move on to the connection, and what you will need to get is one USB to USB-C adapter, or depending on which plug you have on your smartphone, you will need to get a certain adapter. Now I'm gonna connect this adapter to my phone and the cable that comes with this device. And right here on the next to the buttons we can connect the cable. Now everything should start working fine. In case it don't, we need to restart the app, but you can see the cursor right on my phone, and depending on which phone or tablet you're using, the screen might be different, and as you can see the cursor shows up right here, but if I go down here it doesn't work anymore. And that's basically all of the setup for this device. Make sure that if it doesn't work this way, try to restart the app and then everything should go smoothly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.